Hi friends. Friends, Rotary in Mumbai, called as District 3141, is one of the premier Rotary districts in the world. And Rotary year 2021 is a very special year for Rotary, which is also called the Vision Year. In this year, we've started a novel concept called as Biz Talks, an initiative to support Rotarians to support Rotary. And I, Dr. Manish Motwani, a weight loss surgeon and Chief Coordinator for Rotary District 3141 in 2021, would be your host for the day. Friends, Biz Talks is a hot from oven initiative, brainchild of District Governor 2021 Sunil Mehra, to create more bonding and proximity amongst Rotarians on personal, Rotary and professional fronts. In these interviews, we speak to visionary Rotarians who, by virtue of their selfless work towards the community, have reached important decisive positions, and their actions today will help Rotary to serve more to make a difference in the community. Friends, we have a very special guest today. A special guest, a close friend, a person who've known since quite some time, and she is going to take over as the president of one of the most premier clubs of Rotary District 3141. And friends, that club is none other than Rotary Club of Bombay Bayview. Friends, Bombay Bayview is amongst the topmost clubs in Rotary District 3141. And you could understand that if Smita has been handed over the responsibility of becoming the president for 2021, what have the people seen in her? Yes, friends, I'm trying to introduce none other than a very close friend, Smita Parekh. Friends, she's a Rotarian since 2004, but because of certain reasons, she had to leave Rotary for a few years, but has again rejoined. She's a technical analyst, trader and mentor at My Trading School. She's a simple family person, loves challenges that ensure that she's always living out of her comfort zone. She loves helping people and a strong believer in the law of karma. Friends, she's charming, delightful and a pleasant personality, thoughtful and never say no for any social cause, terrific at work, wonderful in organizational skills, loves perfection and principled to the core. With she being at the helm of affairs, list of accomplishments of Bayview in 2021 should definitely be watched for. Friends, with a small introduction, I present before you my dear friend, Smita Jatin Parekh.
Hello. Thank you for the introduction, Manish ji.
So, Smita, it has been a lovely time that we have interacted so much in the past. We have seen that right from the time of pre-pets, or in fact before pre-pets, we have been meeting pre-pets, then pets. You've gone through multiple training sessions. But you also in the back of your mind are aware that a club like Bombay Bayview has put upon your shoulders the responsibility to lead the club. So there are two things in front of you. One is you have to keep the name and flag of Bombay Bayview very high. And second, you have to prove everyone that yes, I'm the one who was the right choice and no one has faltered in trying to make me as the president of such a premier club. Your preparation have been good. We have known you on the Rotary front a bit. We have known Jatin also quite a bit, met him on various occasions. But there are so many Rotarians, there are so many presidents, and there are so many non-Rotarians also who are going to watch this show. Would be very keen on knowing something more about you. Could you?
So hello friends, this is Smita Parekh and Manish ji has introduced me quite well. So I really don't know what more to say, but I have a super family, very closely knit family. My husband supports me in almost everything that I want to do. And with a family like mine and the second family, which is Bayview, I'm sure I will be able to achieve all my dreams.
That's fantastic. This speaks volumes about you, Smita, when you have already started considering Bayview as your family. So family members are always going to be there to back you up whenever you need it. Now, this was about your family front and on your personal front. But Smita, we also want people to know something more about your business, your profession, what you're working. Would you like to tell us something more about what you do? And second point is, how would you like to support Rotary through your vocation?
Okay. So my husband and I are both working professionals, and what my husband does, what my family business is what I would like to say first. So we are HR Organochem Private Limited is basically it's a chemical distribution and company, and we have Pan India operations. So that's what we do, and that's what my husband does. What I do is that I'm a trained technical analyst, and I have my own institute called My Trading School, where I train traders, aspiring traders, to trade in the stock market. So stock market is generally said to be like a gambling front, but no, it is not. It is a science. So if you are learning technical analysis and trading in a proper way, so this is how you can really make money trading in the stock market. I also specialize in trading in the futures and options market. So this is what I do. I have freelanced with Motilal Oswal also for 2.5, 3 years. And that has been really the best time I've had. And that's what also inspired me to start my own institute. The second question is that how will I help Rotary through my vocation? Well, my husband and I come in touch with a lot of corporates all the time because of our work. So trying to touch upon a very difficult area, not difficult, I would say a little newer area of CSR, where, we are trying to get in these times, funds is like the biggest challenge. You may want to do the best work, but today, if you have the funds, you can do all the work you want. So today, when you're trying to get to do this, so for funds, we're trying to approach corporates for their funding, and that's how I am, trying to use my profession. My husband, we both of us are getting together and trying to see how we can approach the companies who we have good relations with and try and get funds for our club project.
Fantastic. This is absolutely so much clarity in your thoughts, Smita. Are going to be as smooth as what you have said, and I'm sure with your and Jatin's contacts, we are going to bring a close bonding between Rotary and the corporates so that their CSR is utilized optimally through Rotary. See, as much as the corporates are, as much as we need funds for our projects, corporates also looking out for proper organizations with good culture, with good stewardship, where the money which they give us is also not going waste. So Rotary and corporates is going to be an unbreakable link in future. And people like you, people like Jatin and various other people who can link corporates to Rotary are really going to be making the future of Rotary and the corporates bright. So that is excellent, Smita. This is what is expected of a person like you. But now coming on to the most important part. You are becoming the president of Rotary Club of Bombay Bayview. 1st July, you will take over as the president of the club. And you would have had lots and lots of plans keeping up to the level and expectation of your club members and your club's name. Lots would have been thought about, and now COVID has come. So how do you feel? First of all, you tell everyone what are the type of projects that you are planning. Then you would say, oh, has COVID created a problem for you? Or you have found out other opportunities through which you can counter COVID and do your projects. Also listen one thing, understand one thing, that there are going to be many other Rotarians, non-Rotarians and NGOs listening to you. So when you are planning for certain projects, if they find that they can also associate with you, it can lead to a win-win situation in today's COVID times or even for future. Always cooperative project bring out better value out of the project. So please, all yours.
So we have I have planned a lot of projects, me and my team. And one of my pet projects is to start a community center for my club. So it would be a community center which would have a medical center, at the same time a vocational center. We want it to be like a complete ecosystem, like a balanced ecosystem where we're having a medical center, there'll be vocational training for the women, we would have wellness activities like yoga, so like Bhagavad Gita or whatever, some religious classes, discourses for the elderly, and maybe night schools for children. So it's a complete center right in the middle of a needy society is what we are planning to do. that's one of my pet projects, and I really hope that it sees the day of light by the end of the year and is functional. The second project that is again very close to my heart is basically the rural project. We plan to do a rural upliftment of adopt one village, basically in the village in the Palghar Taluka. So that's that's one of the other projects that we've planned. Now the challenges that you mentioned, yes, we are facing the challenges, the COVID challenges, because we have our project planned, but especially the rural one, that we are unable to go there. We have it all planned, we have the entire plans on paper, but physically visiting there is becoming a challenge. And how to take this forward is because of the COVID and because of us being a little bit of immobile. That's the biggest challenge we are facing. Yeah. So these are the two big projects that we have planned as of now. We also equip an entire school with e-learning systems. So that is one more project. Yeah.
As I told you that there are many other Rotarians listening to this. You know, Rotary District 3141 is right from Mulund to VT, from Churchgate right up to Palghar, Vasai, Virar. And since you're planning to do certain projects on that side, I would be more than happy to get you connected to the Rotarians over there, so that what you cannot do on the ground level because of lockdown or because of not being able to go out, possibly those Rotarians can help. You have the resources, they have the manpower, or they are locally available. You know, it could be a win-win situation for both. So both can be involved in the project. This is how Rotary works, and we have to find out the best person at the best place so that we can do more work together. So I be introduced and to some very well-known Rotarians in Palghar, Vasai, Virar area, in Vada, so that you can take your projects ahead. And possibly the ones who are listening to you right now might themselves come and get associated, because Bombay Bayview is a club to which everyone would like to get associated with. So yes, you have the privilege of running a club, being the president of a club, which is everyone wishes to be there. So,
thank you.
Congratulations for taking over as the president, and best of luck for an extremely good year ahead. My best wishes are with you. And I would first like to also thank you for accepting our invitation and coming on this show. We really feel that you and district together, Bombay Bayview and district together, can reach the most unachievable heights you could have ever thought of. Let's work together hand in hand, shoulder to shoulder, and ensure that we do the best in service, in fellowship, in bonding, and take Rotary to a different level altogether.
Thank you. Totally my privilege to be on this show.
Most